continue to do the same type of thing, support. That is, we will support the community in running or operating certain things. We now have, like for example, the church is more or less run by the community, and the school run by the community. So we don't have to stop there. We can start something else. If somebody wants to start a baby care center for the community, we can also support. Do that. There are people to do it.
也小花点啊，被稍微说话，我拜年努力送你公妈的，阿妈姨嗰啲後面啊，一個二啦嘛，即係平時好賴嘅，原來做中很多那咁表面啊，你一點那種就少，後班啊，省中講到面定咪唔計，我等下中阿媽姨結好面啊定嘛，見到啲啦，咁啊其實好嚟。買啦嘛，阿媽一貼啦，阿媽一貼嗱諗分啦，然後啦，ตัว一 set 茶爹中入嚟影嚟，見睇啦，啲就白話情況啊，我唔拉咯啲，鬧真啊做什麼？鬧真的茶做什麼？鬧真的單房一拎落嚟就，我們我諗我等佢ไป一拎茶定咗佢，所謂點樣做？
Even if we want to set up like Agape home, run by Myanmar people, for the Myanmar people, we can also take it. So I think this year we are looking more at supporting community efforts in not only education.
兩塊影買公款啫。 表我就有開落得嘅，人哋啦買咁特嘅，你多見下，送糖啊，你呢啊，話擺開埋呢啲嘅睇食，開埋咧，嗱，其實ตัวนั้นที่เราดูชิมที่เขาต้องแกเลยตัวนั้นชิมเข้ามาแล้วส่งผสมด้วยดีนะคนน่ะเมากับผิวเนี่ยแต่อันนี้มาอีเลยนะ
Also for the expansion of the church service,